why don't we go to Andrew D. and let him talk a little bit about the BCM1 enterprise grade SD-WAN solution. And then I want to have Corey talk a little bit about what we've got up our sleeve. So Andrew, why don't you start off?
Yeah, sure. So we do have a couple flavors of SD-WAN. We do have what we refer to our enterprise grade, which is Versa. With Versa, we're doing something a little special. We are tying that into our POPs, and we created gateways so clients can definitely connect to us over the Versa SD-WAN and connect to our services that we offer. So that is a unique one that we're rolling out. Then we also have Cisco Meraki as an option for more of that mid-tier client that's just looking for the ease of use, a little security, and so on. But we have, again, those options available to us. But to Andy's point earlier, Andy asked, that is, we go through a whole design phase with a client, right? We understand their business requirements, understand what their technical needs are, and then we bring solutions to the table. So we're not just a one-trick pony, right? We will bring outside vendors if we have to solve problems. That's mainly what we want to do for our enterprise clients, is solve problems. And again, we generally fall back on our design skills and building of technology solutions.
Now, Corey, we heard from Andrew about what sounds more like a really big enterprise or large business SD-WAN solution. That's good for some SkySwitch reseller clients, but for the bread and butter of our resellers who have those small businesses, and as SD-WAN becomes more important with people working from home and working in remote locations and internet infrastructure constantly changing, what do we have up our sleeve?
Yeah, so I can talk about Infiat. It's a fairly new product. We've been working with it for about a year, but it's fairly new to market. And BCM1 is actually a little bit familiar with them, but it serves a kind of the SMB rather than the enterprise. We have POPs we have servers in each one of our POPs, and it's going to be, I think we have a webinar coming up in the next couple of weeks here, but it's going to be available to you this week or next week through the SkySwitch store. A lot of information is going to be hitting the pipeline, and you should see more coming soon.
You're right. We do have a webinar coming up in a few weeks. You'll be hearing all about that and what we're doing with Infiat. Pay attention to the weekenders and your emails, because having talked with the Infiat people last week about their solution, it's quite different from a lot of the solutions that are being aimed at small, medium businesses. And I think in a few weeks' time, when we have their team on, it's going to be some eye-opening stuff for them.